By taking a few moments to slow down, breathe deeply, and move mindfully, this will have profound impact on us physically and mentally. I'm glad that you're here today. I'm Carol. I'll be guiding you some mindful movements that will help you to release tension, increase flexibility, and generally increase mobility for your body. So if you're ready, let's find a space in your house or anywhere you are. Just make sure you're comfortable. Just have your yoga mat. You may also need a yoga block if you need to elevate your hips, or you can have a towel back of your head if you have a head forward posture. Just make sure you're comfortable. The practice is gentle. So if you're ready, let's begin right now. Let's listen to 3 sounds of the bell. Bring your focus back to your breath. You can soften your gaze or you can keep your eyes closed. Sitting tall in this position, cross-legged. You can sit on a yoga block or a chair. Relax the hips, soften the face, chin parallel to the floor. Take a few more deep breaths. As we inhale, abdomen out. As we exhale, abdomen in. You can also place your hands on your belly. Inhale, abdomen out. And exhale, abdomen in. Inhale, abdomen out. Exhale, abdomen in. Continue to breathe mindfully. You can just inhale and exhale through your nostril. If this is not comfortable, you can also inhale through your nose and exhale from pursed lips, from your mouth. Gently open your eyes. Let's start with some neck and shoulder stretches and release. So let's have our fingers touching our shoulders like this, and we make circle. So we go inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Opposite, forward, inhale, exhale. Releasing the mid back. Also inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Okay, let's have the palms reaching downwards, palms facing front, shoulders relaxed, chest open. Gently look towards the right side. Keep the chin parallel to the floor. Center, inhale. Exhale to the other side. Back to center. One more time to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Back to center. Inhale, exhale. Slowly chin down, but don't drop the head forward, okay? To the stretch of the neck. Gently bring the chin closer to the throat. And center. Chin up. Face up. Open up the chest. Don't arch your back. Take a deep breath. Exhale. One more time. Slowly. Chin towards the throat, stretching the neck and also the upper back. And center, chin parallel, last one. And reaching up and far. Inhale. Exhale, return. Okay, from here, we're going to relax the arms. Let's slowly, okay, lower the right ear to the right shoulder. Feel the release on the left side. And center, inhale. Exhale to the other side. So make sure we don't collapse. So sit as tall as you can. Back to center one last time. To the right. Releasing the left side of the neck. Last one, inhale. Exhale, opposite. And back to center. So let's bring the right arm up. Inhale. As we exhale, slowly stretch to the side. Gentle. Inhale, center. So start to integrate with your breath. Okay, the movement with your breath. Exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale, slowly stretch your side. You can also feel the release in your back as you are moving sideways like this. Inhale, and we're definitely stretching the spine, warming up the spine this way. Coming back to center. Okay, so let's roll the shoulders back. Do a gentle one. Just gently grab hold of our elbows in the back and expand the chest up. Stretch the neck, chin up, face up. Take a deep breath. And exhale, slowly return. And release the hands back to center. Let's turn to the right. So our left hand will gently touch the right knee. Keep the chin parallel and just gaze to the side. Feel very tall. Shoulders relax. If you have more space, you can gaze back slightly. Breathing. Breathing. And slowly come back to center. Inhale. Exhale to the other side. So gaze to the side first. Okay, more important is to keep the spine straight. Some people, they will twist more and they will slouch. You want to avoid that, all right? And sitting tall, as you exhale, twist more. And come back to center. Now in this standing position, we're going to move to the end of our mat, keeping our feet hip distance apart, all right? So it's feet not together. Stand tall and slowly bend our knees slightly. Nodding our head gently and start the articulation from the top of the spine and slowly roll down, stretching the spine from the upper spine and all the way down to the lower spine. And we're also stretching the back. Relax your arms, relax the neck and shoulders. Breathe into your lower back. Keep your feet parallel. Take another deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. You can also gently sway the body sideways like you're drawing semicircle, okay, on your mat without moving your hips. So this is moving your hips, okay? This is moving the hips. So we want to keep the hips in the same position and just sway sideways, don't force. Inhale and exhale, opposite side. Back to center, inhale, exhale, slowly curl up. Coming up slowly. You can always do this in a seated position also, stretching the spine. Standing tall and feel tall, back to neutral. And this time we're going to slowly roll down and we go into the plank position and to the tabletop position. So standing tall, inhale. As we exhale, bend the knees, nod the head, slowly roll down. From the standing position, relaxing the neck and head. Don't push your hips back. Keep the weight on our toes. And once our hands touch the mat, keeping the knees bent, we walk about 5 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly move the body forward. We just hold here for 3 seconds if it's comfortable for you. 3, 2, 1. Gently lower the knees now. Relax your toes and check alignment. Your shoulders over your wrists and your hips over your knees. From here, let's separate the knees a little bit more. Allow the toes to touch each other. Rounding the spine and slowly lower the sit bone down. Keep the hands stretched forward and relax your forehead and relax your arms. And breathe deeply into your lower back. Breathing. 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 One more deep breath. Inhale. As we exhale, slowly walk the hands back gently and And we're going to slowly round the lower back, coming back up to the sitting position. Bring the knees together. And we sit here in Virasana. If this is challenging for you, you can come back up on your knees. And take a deep breath here. And exhale, relax. Okay, let's come back to this position here, sitting down. So in this position, we're going to keep the knees and feet hip distance apart. Place the palms on our shin. We're going to relax our spine here in the long C curve. We take a deep breath into the mid back. As we exhale, release all the tension. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale slowly. Curl up and sit tall. Next, we're going to slowly lie down on the mat. So keep the knees bent and palms facing up. Just relax the chest for a moment and release the back. Release the hips and the hip flexor. And from here, let's make a number 4 with the right leg. So we're going to flex this right foot here, keeping it active, and place it here and have the right knee away. Relax the hips. Okay, those of you who are comfortable, you're going to slowly bring the left thigh. Let's have the hands around the back. If this is difficult, you can also use a towel. And we're going to, so many people like to move the left leg closer, but we're going to release the right hip. So let's just move the right knee away from our right shoulder and relax the buttocks. Okay, quite a good release on the right hip. Just make sure your neck is not tensing. All right, you can elevate your head by placing towel back of your head and breathing slowly. You can stretch out the legs if you feel comfortable, but don't let this right knee collapse towards you. Relax the tailbone, point the toes towards our forehead. Take one more deep breath. Exhale. All right, relax the knees and release the hands. Slowly lower down, palms down, reach the legs up. Inhale and exhale down. 3, 2, 1, and slowly stretch out both legs and arms up. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Release the hips, the legs. Okay, relax the arms. Let's practice the other side. So bend both knees. Let's make a number 4 with the left. Make sure the left foot is active and knees away. Make sure the hips square. You can just start like this. If it's very tight, the hips or the back is aching, can just stay like this. If you feel comfortable, slowly bring the right leg closer to you. Interlock the fingers. And again, I'm moving my left knee away from me instead of pulling it closer, and release the back. Relax the hips, relax the shoulders and neck. Stay like this. Okay, once again, those of you who are very tight, you can always use a towel, okay, to place it around the back of the thighs to support instead of squeezing the shoulders. Then slowly straighten the right knee, point the toes towards your face, soften the face, release the back. Make sure you're not tensing or arching the lower back. Relax the lower back. Deep breath into the lower back. And exhale. Okay, from here, slowly bend the right knee, release the hands, lower down and palms down, straighten the left leg, inhale, and exhale, slowly lower down, 3, 2, 1, and release, and bring the arms up over the head, stretch out, stretch, stretch, stretch. And exhale, release the hands, and slowly let's bend the knees, have the palms facing up, gently roll the head sideways. Okay, so let's come back to the mindful breathing to really relax the body and the mind. All right, want to relax the mind with the breathing. So if you're new, place one hand on your abdomen, the other hand on your chest, and continue to practice abdominal breathing. Diaphragmatic breathing. So as we inhale, abdomen up. As we exhale, abdomen sinking. Inhale, abdomen up. And exhale, abdomen sinking. Let's do 6 more cycles of long deep breath. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, abdomen up, exhale, abdomen sinking, inhale, abdomen up, exhale, abdomen down, inhale, abdomen up, exhale, abdomen down. Continue to breathe comfortably, rhythmically. Take one more long deep breath and exhale completely. Okay, slowly straighten your knees and bring the arms up over the head. Stretch through our heels and fingertips. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, release the hands. Bring the knees towards the chest. So do not rush to come up. Okay, so let's just have the awareness to listen to the body and continue to relax the mind. Roll the head sideways. And rock the pelvis clockwise like this and anti-clockwise, massaging the lower back. And slowly roll to one side, if you can, maybe to your right side. Okay, take one more deep breath here. Inhale, exhale. Gently push ourselves off the mat and slowly come up to a sitting. As you continue to practice these mindful movements, I'd like to encourage you to bring intention and awareness to each movement so that this will deepen your practice and you can really increase your focus, at the same time relax completely. Find that balance, okay, of concentration and also relaxation. I hope that this practice will help you to prevent any chronic pain that you might have, and also let's continue to enhance our spinal health. This will help us to prevent any back pain that's so common nowadays. So if you're interested to experience a workshop that will help you to strengthen your core mindfully for beginners, and also a gentle yoga stretch to help you to release tension, you can click on the link below. You can access these two videos. I will guide you on how to find that balance. For myself, I practice both Pilates and yoga to keep my spine healthy and my mind relaxed. So I hope that you join me in this practice. If you enjoy this video tutorial, you can subscribe to this channel and also give a like so that it can reach out to more people. So until the next practice, I hope to see you very soon and have a great practice.